Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Unbox with Alex Trinh, and in this episode of Unbox with Alex Trinh, we will be unboxing the Ztotop case for the Samsung Galaxy Tab A7 10.4 inch 2020 edition. So you can get this from Amazon for $13.99, under $14 from Amazon. Today we will be unboxing this thing and checking this case out. But before we do, let's go ahead and read the product description on Amazon. So here it is on Amazon. This is the Ztotop case for Samsung Galaxy Tab A7 10.4 inch 2020 release. Here are the model numbers. This is a trifold standing and full protective case for the 10.4 inch Samsung Galaxy A7 2020 tablet. Here you can read about this item on Amazon. You can pause the video if you want to read this for yourself. And scrolling to the bottom, here's the product description. Case for Samsung Galaxy Tab A7 10.4 inch 2020. This comes in multiple colors, and I chose the black one, and here are the different colors such as blue, pink, gray, and black. It has a gray cover on the inside. As we scroll down, this has precise cuts, as you can see there. Precise cuts such as the camera cutout and charging port speakers. It has an auto wake and sleep function, so if you slap the cover down, it should sleep. This has protection without a dead angle, so upgraded drop protection. As we scroll down, you can set this up in two ways, such as this in the picture, or have it standing. This is a slim and lightweight case for the Samsung Galaxy Tab A7. Here are some other products, and yeah. So I have the case here. Here is the packaging that comes in. Comes in with a bag, a sleeve that is sealed. On the back side, you have some branding, and you can scan the QR code if you want to follow them on social media sites. And you can find them on Amazon. You can contact them for customer support. Let's go ahead and break open the seal sleeve as it comes in with the packaging. So, simple presentation, nothing too fancy. And once we pull out the case, here it is. Here's the Samsung Galaxy Tab A7 case. Once you open this up, you have a piece of foam along with this card. With your support, we exist. You can share that if you're satisfied or dissatisfied. You can always contact them. You can always register your lifetime warranty within 14 days, and you can subscribe to their email blast. Here is a BioDry that keeps the product out with no moisture. Let's take out the foam, and here is the inside, and here is the cover of the Samsung Galaxy Tab A7. And here you have some personal branding from Ztotop. It says how you would open it. Here is the inside, which this has a gray cover on the inside, and this has a honeycomb feeling, so it provides more drop protection for your case, for your tablet that is. Here are the cutouts for your speakers, a cutout for your mic, and this cutout for your volume and power buttons, and here is the cutout for your other two speakers, and this side, all of the sides of the tablet is covered. So you can see that this side is covered, unlike other cases that I see on Amazon that would be exposed. So all sides of the tablet would be covered for your tablet's protection. So let's go ahead and take out our Samsung Galaxy Tab A7 tablet. Here's my Samsung Galaxy Tab A7 tablet, and we are going to go ahead and install the tablet into our case. So here's the back side of the tablet, and this is a pretty nice, affordable, useful tablet. Just want to put that out there. And you can always watch my unboxing video if you want to know more about this tablet. So make sure you match the camera, the rear camera, to the cutout, and all you have to do is match that corner and just push it in. Nothing too complex, and this should have a snug feel, and it should snap right in. So this has a simple installation, as you can see there. Make sure it's all the way in, so all the sides of the tablet is covered, and you can close it up. And once you open it up, let's test this, it wakes the tablet up. Pretty awesome. So let's go ahead and make this stand. So this is one way to have it stand. If you want to watch a YouTube video or some other videos such as Netflix, Hulu, and the buttons on the top work as well. No problems there. Here are the cutouts at the bottom for your speakers, aux jack, and charging. All sides of the tablet are covered. And here are the other two speakers that has a cutout. And yeah. So what I like about this tablet, unlike the other tablets that I find on Amazon, is that all sides of the tablet are covered. So here's one way to make it stand. It's pretty responsive with the screen protector. The screen protector has no problems with the tablet case. And here's the second way, is more of a productivity when if you're typing a email. And yeah, so let's cover it up. It has a wake and sleep function to it. And yeah, so here's the back side of the case, which has a cutout for your camera. And yeah, I am super satisfied with this case, as it provides good protection. So that's about it for this episode of Unbox Vlogs Training. If you like this video, please give this video a huge thumbs up. Comment in the comment section below on what you think about this case. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Be sure to check out my other YouTube content that is on this channel. And thank you for watching Unbox with Alex Trinh. And I will see you on next one.